Welcome to our video showcasing 5 different healthy dishes that can be made using mangoes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. First up, we have a refreshing mango salsa. Combine diced mangoes, red onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and a pinch of salt. Next, let's make a creamy mango smoothie. Blend together ripe mangoes, Greek yogurt, honey, and a splash of almond milk. Now, we move on to a tropical mango coconut curry. Sauté onions, garlic, and ginger. Add mangoes, coconut milk, curry powder, and simmer until fragrant. For a light and refreshing salad, try our mango avocado salad. Toss together mangoes, avocados, mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and a zesty lime dressing. Last but not least, indulge in a decadent mango cheesecake. Crush graham crackers, mix with melted butter, and press into a pan. Blend cream cheese, mango puree, sugar, and pour over the crust. Refrigerate until set. These 5 healthy mango dishes are perfect for health-conscious individuals and cooking enthusiasts. Get creative in the kitchen and enjoy the delicious flavors of mango.